everybody, this is your lady Joy O. Thank you for watching my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your glasses and make a storage for your craft room. So I have a lot of these glasses right here, and I do a lot of sewing, I do a lot of jewelry, I do a lot of stuff, and sometimes when I want to do something I can't find it. I say, well, let me just make some storage so that I'll be able to find stuff. So I have this big old glass. As you can see, it has a lot of thread in it. So what I'm going to do, I have this this wood. I bought it at a Home Depot. I kind of pressed it already. You need like this L. You need 2. I thought I need 3, but I don't really need 3. I need 2. You kind of and you also need some nails. And you have nails. And then you need like my favorite thing, you need like a screwdriver. I like to make it faster, screwdriver. I have some different head of the screwdriver you can use, so I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna open it like this and take it out, and then I'm gonna put this one right here that I'm gonna use to do it. Like I said, you can put anything there, but since I sew a lot, I just put some thread, because sometimes I can't find it. You just turn it upside there and just screw it like, it's not going to come out. So, and then I'm going to do the second thing on this one right here. I'm going to put the nails. Just in case you want the top one to be more bigger, you can always go to the tool box right here and just exchange it to what you want. This one I'm using to tighten this up. As you can see, this is what it looks like, okay? As you can see, this is what it looks like. So when you want to sew in there, isn't it beautiful? Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, like. I appreciate you. Bye.